Alright, so this is my WordPress website for this class. This was a part of the requirements to take for Com 316 professional imaging to make this website, so that's the purpose of it. This is my front page that I have this image slider on with just a couple of images. And then down here I put in a little bio kind of about myself and my work as a photographer, along with this image of Multnomah Falls in Portland. And then this button to take a look on the website. So the main one I've been working on this semester is this photography tab that has all these different aspects of it. And here you can see these different posts that I've had to make for my Communication 316 professional imaging class. So these are the 5 posts I've made thus far that I'll continue working on throughout the rest of this semester. A couple weeks ago, we did this creative one where we had to make a movie poster, and so I recreated this Dumb and Dumber poster that's me and my sister, which was kind of funny. And then for this creative one, I did creative. For the commercial one, this last week, and this is a post about some product photography that I did. And these images turned out pretty well. So it was fun to do that and post about those. And same with this record player. We had to take this picture for a product as well. And then this week we're working on fine art, and so here's a post about a light painting images that we did, and also some long exposure shots. So that's been fun. I would say that the hardest part about doing this website is getting the look for it that I want and making sure that it has the visual appeal that I'm looking to sell and that it displays my work well. It's not the most difficult part, but overall I still really enjoyed making it. It, I think, allows a lot of creativity, which can be overwhelming, but I really enjoyed working on it. I feel like I spent a lot of time, and I'll probably continue to spend a lot of time working on it because I'm planning on keeping this for a long time. So, yeah, I've learned a lot. It's been really great.